Hey guys, welcome back to a new episode on Quick Guide. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can change your password of ChatGPT account. Now, if this is something that you want to learn, then you have to follow all the steps and stick till the end. And before we start the video, be sure to subscribe and turn on the notification so that you won't miss any future upcoming videos from our channel. Now, in the ChatGPT, there is no specific option to change your account password. But if you want to change your password of your ChatGPT account, then you can do is to reset your ChatGPT account password. Now, to do so, you have to firstly get logged out of your ChatGPT account. Once you get logged out of your ChatGPT account, now in order to reset your password, you have to tap on login button, and there in the login page, you have to type in your email address, tap on continue button, and once you tap on continue button, you will ask to enter your password. Now you have to simply tap on forget password link. And there in the next page, your email address will be automatically typed in. Now you have to tap on continue button to get email from OpenAI to reset your password. Now tap on continue button. And once you tap on continue button, email will be sent to the email address that you have typed in. Now check your email. Once you get an email, tap and open that email, and there you will find reset password button. Now tap on that button, and then a new tab will open up on your screen, and there you have to create a new password for your account. And once you create a password, retype that password in the next box. And once you're done with it, tap on reset button. And there you go, your password has been changed. Now that's how easily and quickly you can change password of ChatGPT. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, like and share this video and also subscribe to our channel. Now that's gonna be all for this video, and I will be back with more videos like this.